Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Kiwi dollar, I currently have my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here because this move down could very likely be just a pullback to this last wave up. It could very likely bounce from one of these Fib levels and continue the higher time frame uptrend very easily. Now, if we real quickly go up to the weekly, we can see that we're not at a Fibonacci retracement level of the whole move down. So that's actually a pretty good sign for a more possible up. If we go to the daily time frame, we are at a very clear resistance level right here, which definitely could cause, some resistance. It could cause a push to the downside, but we do not have an engulfing down on the weekly. We do not have a break of structure on the weekly or the daily. As you can see, every single time frame is definitely still in an uptrend, which is why for now I am definitely, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I will be assuming that any move I see to the downside is just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend, and I will definitely continue to look for longs any chance that the market gives me. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.